You want to know how you can hide app on iPhone? Well, here is how you can do so. Simply open up your iPhone, unlock your iPhone and head over to the list of apps, right? You can see here. Now, for instance, I want to hide Snapchat. What you want to do is you want to tap and hold on the icon, the app icon or the app widget. So before this, simply tap and hold on it and you can get this list of options, right? You know, tap on require face ID. Then you can see hide and require face ID. You can tap on it and then once you do so, you can see hide Snapchat. Once you do so, this app will no longer be visible on your iPhone except in a few places such as your settings. Face ID or your passcode will be required to reveal, open or use Siri with the app. So tap on hide app and proceed to hide it and you can see it's hidden now. Now you won't be able to find in the app library as well. As you can see Snapchat, if I type it in, I won't be able to find it. But if I head over to App Store, it will show as installed. So if I proceed to head into Snapchat, you can see it is installed and I can open it up. However, the Face ID will be required. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.